Welcome to iPro's Technical Support channel. In this video, I like to open new corner camera WVX25580 f2LN2 and base bracket WVQJB506-B. This is a QR code for the installation guide. And this product is made in Japan. This foil is easy kitting. Let's open the box. This is IK11 plus 70 Joule impact rated stainless housing, and it supports IP6K, 9K, and this dome supports water repellent coating as clear side coating. So this is the inside of the camera. Impact detection is possible because of the acceleration sensor. And case open detection is possible by proximity sensor. So we can separate this camera into 3 parts for easy installation. And the next, this is base bracket for corner cameras. Let's see outside. Then let's open the box. Color of this bracket is black only. And this foil is for conduit. In this area, you can install PO-in conversion adapters, but please take note, inside of this base bracket is not waterproof. So for detail, please contact iPro sales engineer separately. Then this camera attached like this. That's all for unboxing. Please subscribe our channel if you like. Have a nice day. Bye bye.